let's focus on what is the mudra. What is the especially mudra for back pain, sciatica pain? See here, the wonderful mudra. The back pain, especially the back pain. Many people suffer from the back pain. Why does the back pain comes? If you sit long times, sedentary lifestyle, sitting before computer and work for very, very long times, it's going to give back pain, L3, L4. You also, whenever you are working in the garden, suddenly you lift some items. You lift some heavy item, then your back gets stuck. Right? That also is causing for the back pain. And also in the house, so you will be serving you will be cleaning your house. During such times also you may get some back pain. So with these friends, many types of back pains. Back pains will come with several reasons, not only one reason. Even if you have a constipation, you have a lot of constipation, you get back pain. That's also one of the reasons. You also have a lot of gas in your stomach, that also causes the back pain. So likewise, many of the back pains are there, isn't it? So the back pains will be many. All this back pain, what is back? Back is especially spinal column, spinal cord, isn't it? So that is connected to all the organs. So now one of the wonderful mudra, in order to come out of this back pain, friends, anytime, anywhere you can practice. And also, whenever you have that, the back pain is suddenly coming, you are already in the office, you have no other task, like, you can't lie down and you can't take rest, isn't it? You can't lie down, you can't take rest at all. Nobody can come and, press you on the back because you are already in the office, in the environment of working. Then what you need to do, just put this mudra, Merudanda mudra, which is going to relieve you very shortly. In very short time, your back pain will be removed, my dear friends. What is the Merudanda mudra? So how to practice it? See here, these are the two hands. The two hands clean neatly, and no more the nails for the two hands, my dear friends. Now, so what will happen is this thing: left hand one mudra, right hand another mudra. Merudanda mudra is, it's like something special. In both the hands, no single mudra. Mudra will not look like same. So in left hand, mudra looks different. The right hand, mudra looks different. What is the left hand mudra? Friends, just look at me. So this left hand mudra, the thumb and especially this for the index finger. Index finger, slowly bring it to the joint, so-called the joint of the thumb. Bring it there and just keep it. And close this thumb on the back of this index finger. Close it like this. So this is called the left hand mudra for the Merudanda mudra. Please remember this. Now, right hand. How do we do the right hand? With the alternative fingers. This one finger, the other finger, the other finger. These three alternate fingers. Just bring it closer. Bring it closer like this. This is the exact, the formation of Merudanda mudra in both hands. Right hand and left hand. Like this, you put onto the thighs. Just keep on thighs and start practicing. How much time you have to practice? In order to relieve the back pain or any other pain across the spinal column, 30 minutes minimum. Then followed by prana mudra for 10 minutes minimum, my dear friends. If you do this, yes, of course, you will come out of your any back pain, even including sciatica pain. The sciatica pain starts from the back, lower back, and then it spreads through the, your own, all the legs, and then goes to up to, especially it goes till the ankle, it goes. That is the kind of sciatica. There is a sciatica nerve. So that sciatica pain spread like this. So that also will be cured. The one of the wonderful mudra, which I already told, one of the other wonderful mudra was Apana Vayu mudra. Like that, this Merudanda mudra also works in the similar fashion. You start teaching everybody around you, in your family, everywhere, wherever you go. Okay? Please do this from tomorrow. Now, what are the other benefits of this Merudanda mudra? It is a boon to relieve the back pain or all the backache and back pain, whatever. It's a boon. It's a boon, big gift for us, okay, by nature, by our rishis. Practice daily for 30 minutes, followed by prana mudra for the 15 minutes, which will correct the slip disc problem also. Your slip disc will be easily solved. It helps cure piles and cure the prostate problem. It also helps the diabetes patients to experience the healing effects of this mudra. It has soothing effect on the nervous system and helps relieves stress, anxiety, and other mental problems. Imagine, it's also very good benefit. It also works to improve the circulatory and respiratory system, blood circulation system and respiratory system. Merudanda Mudra is also helpful for in reducing obesity. These are the other benefits, friends. Please follow that.